Alright guys, as you can see, I am sitting in my van. It's raining like Jake here again. And I'm just getting so tired of this. But anyway, and if you're wondering what that is, I'll go show you in some other vlog. That's my little Mets guy, because I'm a big Mets fan, baseball fan. Anyway, yeah, it's pouring here. Just got so tired of this. But it seems like every day now, and it's getting more and more intense each day, so... Again, just leave a comment and let me know if you have any theories of how do you think this weather got started or why it is. Have a good day, guys. Alright guys, yeah, needless to say, this is going to be nuts trying to get through this. It's flooded here too, so we got to go nice and slow and try to get through this water.
This isn't as deep over here,
but this is why we have so much rain, and we're still in a storm watch until 9 p.m. tonight.
Stop beeping. There's like nowhere to go. Look at urban flooding.
Yep. Hey guys. Let me see if I can. No. Came from this side, guys. So I'll try it here.
The alley.
Slow down. So as you can see, guys, it's just the alleys are flooded all the way through here. Hope I don't stall out in this.
Trains are trying, there's too much muck.
Not even that, the trains are going. It was all the way up to this guy here, sidewalk. This is the first choice Caribbean place there. We get Caribbean food.
Chunks of stuff.
Oil.
Well, no, it's almost like
I mean, it's going down, but it's just... mulch.
It is going down.
And here comes the rain again. So it's pretty well flooded everywhere here. Jesus Christ. So as you can see, guys, even down there, so we're pretty flooded out of here.
Out of it now. Nope.
We're not out of it yet.
Well, we're out of that.
We're out of that part.
Rainbow right over there.
As you can see, guys, can't find the rainbow. Right now, I'm on that stuff. We're headed up the hill, and this is kind of like a little waterfallish. That's such a word. So there is more rain. This is just lovely. Ah.
Can't go down there either.
Why not?
You got it blocked off fire trucks. Flooded.
Oh boy. Okay. Got to figure out a way out of here.
Well, I can just go back to the city, and we're not going to go up the hill.
We're gonna have not to.
Not tonight.
All right, guys. Got to turn around. Needless to say. Go all the way down. I want to see if that's...
So I'm not going all the way down and...
We can turn around. Go down.
Go down and do what, Bob?
We can always turn around. I just want to see what it looks like down below.
They got it blocked. I'm not sure why, but it's blocked.
It's probably because they don't want people down below it. Alright, right here. Turn it.
I'm going to turn through the park?
Yep, gonna have to.
Gonna have to go across 5th up to Lansingburg.
Yep, pretty much.
Which is right where we were just... Didn't want to go through the traffic, but...
Yep.
Gonna have to.
So you see, guys, even the parking lots are flooded.
Down. But our toilets were bubbling.
So as you can see, more rain headed this way.
Yeah. It's flooding up here as well.
No, still raining, but it's after the storm is over there.